Okay, let's take a look at the new ChatGPT. So we can choose here to explore, and there's a lot of plugins that ChatGPT has added. I'm going to choose to build what's called MyGPT. So go to your username, and you should see MyGPT. And here I started to build a Tango playlist builder. So let's go and edit it. So what I want to do now is describe to it how this builder will work. So I'm going to type in and I'm going to pause for a second so that you can. So I'm going to tell it how to build a playlist for tango parties that are called milongas. The playlists have a structure, and the basic building block is called a tanda, which is three similar songs of music, followed by around 40 seconds of other types of dance music. And this is called a cortina. Okay, let's input that. So here's what I'm putting in. TangoTuneTailor will build playlists for milongas. So a milonga is a party that is held for tango dancing. The playlists have a structure where the basic building block is a tanda, which is three similar songs of music, followed by around 40 seconds of other types of dance music, called a cortina. So we have this 40 seconds to change partners in tango. So, yep, it responds perfect, it's updated. So now I tell it the basic structure, and that consists of three tango tandas, one vals, three tango tandas, and one milonga tanda. So these tango, vals, and milonga are three different types of tango music. So it's updated that, so it understands the basic pattern. And then I tell it the playlist should be 3 hours long, and we should design them with the following goals. We should play very popular tango songs to get the dancers up dancing. We should start with rhythmic tango so they're easy to dance to. So rhythmic just means there's a beat. And we'll do 2 or 3 patterns of that. Then we should move to one basic pattern of golden era, for example, and that could be more melodic. And perhaps we mix in nuevo or one romantic basic pattern. And then to finish, we have a basic pattern of lively music, and then one song is traditionally called La Composita that ends the evening. So it says it's fine-tuned. Now we should allow the user to specify the characteristics. Perhaps they want a different structure in the sense that they'll take that building block, but it could be, for example, all nuevo or alternative music. But it would still be tangos and milongas and valses. Okay, but if they don't have specific wishes, we're going to decide for them. Okay, and I uploaded here. They give an ability here to upload knowledge. So I uploaded some tango songs that I have. So I made a list of tango songs. So you'll see here, for example, that I've got quite a long list, title, time of the music, album, and the year. There's more details in most recordings, but I wanted to condense it down. Okay, so now I asked it on this side, once we've trained it over here, and I allowed it web browsing, I don't really need DALL-E image generation. Maybe I'll turn that off. And code interpreter, I don't think I need that. But I want web browsing. Okay, so here, crafting a longer playlist with tenders. Do you have a theme for your Malonga? Would you like specific tango era? Shall we mix tango styles? Any preference for the last tender? Good questions. Excellent. Let's do a playlist, 3-hour playlist of Nuevo. So let's see what it does. So it's searching its knowledge base. I didn't specify in my list what was Nuevo music and what was regular tango music. So I think it's going out to search. So here's a starting point. So it's gone out and found out some other music. We can include oxygen was 10 seconds long. So let's see what it comes up with. So it chose to put 4 songs in a tender, which is, it's usually 3 or 4. So you can do 4. Let's just say use your initiative. Okay, so now tender 1, it's going here, tender 2, Cortina, yep, it's got it right, 3, Cortina, tender 4, Cortina. It's forgotten about, so it's got the 12 now, but it's forgotten the structure where we need to have, let me get it to do a more traditional playlist. Let's see if it knows about JSON L. Okay, here it goes. Tender 1 tracks. Title, title. Oh, how can we get only? It's quite nice. That's actually not bad. So we've done our first MyGPT, our TangoTuneTailor. So now we've published our TangoTuneTailor, and when we go to it, it comes up with this and it's prompting us with, do you have a theme for your Malonga? And we can answer it and continue. Okay, so that's pretty good. That's our first MyGPT. Pretty slick. Bye for now.